Hey friends, welcome to One Little Coder and ML Tech News today. The hottest topic today in the tech world is that Anthony Levandowski, who is a former Google Waymo self-driving car engineer, who then went to start his own company Otto, which was then acquired by Uber, and then finally this resulted in a huge lawsuit between companies and on him, and now he's been sentenced to 18 months prison, which he doesn't have to report until the COVID pandemic is passed. But the thing is, this is a very important news in terms of technology, because he was one of the celebrated self-driving car engineers, just like Sebastian Thrun. You might know him from Udacity lectures. So he is also a very popular figure. He even in fact created a church where actually people worship AI, artificial intelligence. It is a very sad ending, but for someone his talent, the kind of actions, the trade secret theft that has been going on for quite some time, or he's been accused of when he left Waymo, it's very bad. But irrespective of all these items, Waymo is still far ahead of any other self-driving car company. Uber had to shut down part of its self-driving car operation because of an accident that happened some time back, which you can actually Google upon. So this news I wanted to actually highlight as the first news, even though it's not necessarily a machine learning tech news. It's related to self-driving car, but still it is about an engineer and the engineer's ethics. So that's why this is the first news. And the second news is arXiv.org, the very popular peer-to-peer review publication, has released its data set on Kaggle, which we'll just see just now. So their idea is that it is a data set of 1.7 million articles. So all these papers that you have seen people publish on arXiv, the entire detail about those things, 1.7 million articles have been completely put. The primary reason that they have done is this could be actually used to fuel new discoveries or innovations. So you can read about this, the press release or blog post that they have created, and they have also given you a call to action of what kind of things that they're actually expecting people to build out of this. So the example that they've given is a tool that Google had built during this COVID pandemic time using a dataset to explore COVID scientific literature. So this is a suggestion that they have given, but it's up to you. You can build anything you want. So specifically about the dataset, the dataset is available on Kaggle. So it's about 5 GB. So the good thing is you don't have to necessarily download the dataset if you want to do anything on Kaggle, because if you know about Kaggle, you can create a Kaggle notebook on Kaggle itself, and you can also actually see some basic EDA, exploratory data analysis, that some people have already built on it. So have a look at it. It's going to be an exciting data set if you are interested in one, NLP, and the second thing is advancement of all this artificial intelligence and computer science evolution. But it's not just computer science. It has got papers related to math, statistics, electrical engineering, biology, and economics. So that is one thing. So this third thing that I wanted to highlight is it's a product, it's a service that helps you remove background. So it's not about the service, it's called remove.bg. So the thing that I wanted to discuss is not about this topic, but the point is, if you are good in machine learning, and if you are a full stack machine learning engineer, like a lot of people claim to be, or a lot of people aspire to be, which means you just do not only know to build a machine learning application, machine learning model, but you also know how to build an entirely full stack machine learning application, something that looks like this. So the point I wanted to bring is, you can use your machine learning skill to launch your indie product or startup or whatever you would like to call. You can make money of it. So this is a good example of how you can use your knowledge in machine learning and create a full stack product, deploy it online, and then market it to people and then make money out of it. So you on YouTube you can actually see tons of videos how to make money with machine learning, about stock prediction or all these things. But like there are tons of quants available, and then they are struggling a little with stock market prediction. But if you want to actually make money of machine learning, you want to start focusing on products that can be built out of machine learning solutions or technologies or algorithms that can solve very simple problem, something like this. So if you see this company, they've got a Mac plugin, they've got a plugin for a Photoshop, and they've got an API integration. Just so you could just start something with very simple. You can even start something that is as same as this, because if you see the pricing side, it's actually a very good subscription based business. So if you offer something that is almost like half of it or even the same price, you could definitely you have good possibility of getting clients. So this is an idea for you to use your machine learning skill to make some money or start a startup. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any comments, please let me know in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. Take care.